Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to explore the vital role of preventive maintenance in maintaining workplace safety. We'll dive into real-world examples of how preventive maintenance can prevent equipment failure and hazardous situations, and how it ties into lockout-tagout procedures. Get ready to gain insights on how to make your maintenance and operations teams not just more cost-effective, but also safer. Now, preventive maintenance is often associated with reducing costs from unexpected downtimes, but it's an incredibly important factor in enhancing safety. Why? The answer is straightforward. When heavy-duty equipment starts to deteriorate, it can quickly become a safety hazard. Let's delve into a few examples to better comprehend how preventive maintenance impacts workplace safety. First, let's discuss the role of preventive maintenance in detecting equipment failure. Failures can occur from something as minor as a worn belt or a damaged roller. However, depending on the situation, even these minor issues can snowball into dangerous scenarios. Consider steel cobbles, for instance. They're extremely hazardous and can result from damaged rollers, or a faulty cutoff valve on a boiler, which could cause severe injuries for those nearby. When equipment fails while in operation, it endangers workers in the vicinity. This is where preventive maintenance comes in. It helps prevent these types of failures, thereby guaranteeing the safety of your operations crews. Secondly, preventive maintenance is crucial in averting hazardous situations. Some risks, though not as dramatic, posed by poorly maintained equipment are still significant. A dangerously high buildup of gases could result from a poorly maintained ventilation system. Regular HVAC maintenance, which requires consistent preventive maintenance, is critical for most plants. Another situation could be leaks or condensation, resulting in pooled water and potential slip and fall hazards. These problems frequently stem from poorly maintained assets, like condensation from a malfunctioning freezer. Regular inspections can prevent this issue from escalating. Lastly, let's talk about unplanned downtime and lockout-tagout, or LOTO. Unplanned downtime can be hazardous in itself. As to work on a malfunctioning asset, you need to shut it down, and not everyone does that correctly. Lockout-tagout procedures are designed to ensure a broken asset is completely off and ready to be worked on. However, not all companies have proper LOTO procedures, and they might be overlooked in a high-pressure production scenario. In fact, LOTO-related violations were among the top 10 most frequent OSHA citations in 2018. Interestingly, OSHA requires companies to have some kind of preventive maintenance program in place. Regular inspections and preventive maintenance ensure assets don't break down as often, eliminating the risk that LOTO procedures might be overlooked. If repairs are needed, having a solid LOTO procedure in place will further minimize the risk of injury. And that's a wrap. We've explored the importance of preventive maintenance in ensuring workplace safety and how it can prevent equipment failure, hazardous situations, and enhance lockout-tagout procedures. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and operations teams be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com. Remember, preventive maintenance is not just about reducing costs, it's about creating a safer working environment.